But it looks like scallops and uni. Yummy. Let me show you around this awesome busy area near the Narita train station. When you're in Japan, you're going to want to come and take a walk around here and check out all the different food stations. Hi, Japan. Back at the airport. Go to the airport. The umami. Seasoned. Good morning. That's the Narita station behind me. They're so quiet. Listen. I want to see them like get excited. This is honestly a good game. It's really good. The airport, the train station has this. Oh, thank you. Seaweed, sesame, and hot pepper. And it's, I just got some manuka honey. This lady was so nice to me. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Bean paste. City. Thank you.
One side. The little quirky things about different countries around some nice tea. Off the bus. And away we go. Woo! I love language. So we're back at the airport. There's a robot cleaning the floors. But we take a shuttle bus from the hotel over to the airport. From the airport, they have an express train from Terminal 2 that's gonna head us into downtown Tokyo or wherever Shibuya crossing is. So none of us really know exactly how to get there. It's our first time doing it like this. But so we got some information here from this lady, and they're gonna head over to Shibuya. I left, and I am gonna figure my way back to the hotel. There's like a nice spawn there. There's udon like right next door. There's everything I want. And in the morning, I also like to do stuff in the morning here. We don't leave until like 4 p.m. So I like to go into the town, go to the mall, go to Daiso, eat my food. Let's see what awaits. We're back here in the airport. Remember where I have my paper looking for the bus again. And that's what I love about being in Japan. It's nice and safe. You're gonna be good no matter what. I can be out here with my phone vlogging. Ain't nobody gonna do nothing. I think my bus doesn't come for like an hour and 10 minutes, so it sounds like I'll be eating something at the airport. And this lovely man unloading the bags, he's gonna help me out in a second with telling me where to go, because I thought it was that white bus that's just leaving. The last one just left 2 minutes before I got here. Hey, hi Japan. Back at the airport. So he said I go down outside and go to bus stop number 26. So let's see what happens here. But it doesn't come, if I have a lot of time, I'm gonna go to the airport mall, restaurants and shops, it says. So let's see. 1F. The green one. That's what I need. Alrighty, I came out of those doors, crossed the island here, walked over on here, and I found bus stop number 26 right there. And I found a list of hotels that go from this stop, so I'm at the right place. And I don't see a schedule, so I think I'm hungry. Alrighty, I found the bus. I've confirmed it. I checked everything along with the schedule. Turns out it's gonna leave in actually 17 minutes. So I'm just gonna walk around for a little bit. I'm not gonna get food. I'm just going to walk around the airport for a minute. Not too far from here though, because I don't want to have to find it again. But basically, when you're on V1, go down even more. This is Terminal 2. This is so adorable. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing. What is a stoogie? The umami. Seasoned. This one. I'm not sure what I want. Good morning. It's about 8 a.m. today. We woke up at 6 o'clock since we went to bed at like 7:50. Got dressed, did a little eyeliner, which is not my usual. And I'm wearing tennis shoes because I know I'm going to walk a lot. Let's go out and get... Wow, I'm having such bad storage issues, guys, because this phone is filled up. And I actually recently just lost my entire other phone with a bunch of different videos and stuff in it. So I'm going to pass on breakfast because I really want to actually get out into the town. So the bus leaves in 20 minutes. Let's see how cold it is outside, get a jacket from my room, and then we'll come back down and head over to the mall area.
Narita Station. Narita Station.
Guys, we're off the bus. I'm checking the schedule for when we're leaving, and I have no idea what we're gonna get into. This is where we're at, so let's just see what we find. It's 9:40 in the morning. Let's see what's up. The first thing I'm doing is just standing here in the shade to orient myself and look at all the buildings so I know where I need to come back to.
I walked past this place in the mall here that has like maybe some my chi or I don't know, any kind of things. So I'm gonna talk to the lady now and see if I can take a little yoga class or something, please. Alrighty, getting oriented. I need to use the restroom and I think I want to go to a Korean spa. So I'm gonna keep an eye out for that. Let's see what we find. Alright, I deleted 69 videos so I can show you guys the flower shop. That's the Narita station behind me and I'm walking directly down the street so I don't get lost. I'm hoping to run into Found a Park. There's older people exercising. It's adorable. And here we have a kids soccer game. I might go sit up in those bleachers and experience the culture, see if they do anything different, and watch the Japanese people get excited and cheer because they're so quiet. Listen. It's silent everywhere all the time. So I want to see them like get excited. Girl. Hey, this is honestly a good game. This team here is really good. I got my little thing. I was looking for fruit. He said there's none in this area, so now I'm looking for shabu shabu, and we're about 2 hours before we're gonna leave this area, go to the hotel, and then hit the pool. The airport, the train station has this cute little like rooftop area here where you can sit down. The kids are running around. Well, a kid was running around. It's so quiet. I have to. Oh, thank you. Seaweed, sesame, and hot pepper. Thank you. Arigato. Yummy. I was able to pay with tap. Yay. The thing is, I tapped to pay for this. But then he asked me if I wanted one, and I said, yeah, sure. So I don't know how many I paid for, but it looks like scallops and uni. Yummy. Let me show you around this awesome, busy area near the Narita train station. When you're in Japan, you're going to want to come and take a walk around here and check out all the different food stations. And a temple. Thank you. What's the name of this store?
Sugi Bee Garden.
Sugi Bee Garden. Okay. Thank you, madam.
Hi, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, wow. Ooh, I just got some Manuka honey. This lady was so nice to me. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you.
So that's where I was. Bean paste. Oh, he has multiple. Door. Wow. This is so cute. What city?
ゃあすいませんお待たせしました。はいじゃあすいませんお待たせ気をつけてくださいね。はいありがとうございます。はいありがとうございます。
Thank you. ありがとう。That. Wow, that's cute. It's a juice. It's honey juice.
Thank you.
Skin. Lining it. Lining it.
One side, you store it inside. Even you can.
It's so cute.
Cute. Older lady.
これ食べるんだったら朝一このぐらいヨーグルトと食べた方がいい。
Oh, look at this. It's pretty.
It's not